LHDN's implementation of the e-invoice marks a major milestone in the digitalization of Malaysia's tax system.
It's more than just replacing paper invoices, it's about enhancing transparency, compliance, and efficiency in business transactions.
An e-invoice is a structured digital document submitted directly to LHDN.
When your business issues an e-invoice, it becomes official proof of income.
It applies to various transaction types: business to business, business to consumer, business to government. For local customer, if customer required an e-invoice, you're obligated to issue e-invoice.
There are 4 types of e-invoice such as invoice, debit note, credit note, and refund note. To issue an e-invoice, you need to gather details such as the company name, tax identification number, new business registration number, and other relevant information. If the local customer does not require an e-invoice, you may issue a normal receipt instead. However, these must be consolidated into a single e-invoice and submitted to LHDN within 7 calendar days after month end.
For foreign customers, all transaction must be submitted as e-invoices.
TINs play a key role in e-invoice. Every company has its own tax identification number.
However, LHDN uses general TIN codes for specific situations.
General TIN for consolidated e-invoice, EI with 90 and 10. General TIN for foreign customers, EI with 90 and 20. For supplier is to proof of expenses. To claim an expense from a local company supplier, you must obtain a validated e-invoice. If the expense is from a local individual, example rental from a landlord, payment to an agent, or involves the import of goods or services from an overseas supplier, you are required to generate a self-billed e-invoice. There are 4 types of self-billed e-invoice such as self-billed invoice, self-billed debit note, self-billed credit note, and self-billed refund note. General TIN for foreign suppliers, EI with 90 and 30.
Managing e-invoice requirements doesn't have to be overwhelming. With SQL accounting software, you can automatically generate e-invoice files in JSON or XML format. Seamlessly submit them to LHDN's cloud server. Why choose SQL account for LHDN e-invoice?
SQL accounting software equipped with 10 powerful e-invoice features that make compliance easy and efficient.
1 of 10.
Over 1.4 million TIN database built in.
Say goodbye to manual TIN collection.
SQL provides instant access to a massive TIN database, allowing you to quickly search and retrieve your customer's register number and TIN number individually or via batch update, saving you hours of time.
2 of 10. Easy to recognize e-invoice status icons.
SQL's interface includes intuitive status icons that match LHDN's official e-invoice icons, making it easier to track and understand your invoice status at a glance. Plus, a countdown icon helps you keep track of the 72-hour rejection or cancellation window, so you never miss a deadline.
3 of 10.
Easily cancel and resubmit e-invoices within 72 hours. If a customer identifies an error in an e-invoice, you're allowed to cancel it within 72 hours.
SQL simplifies the process. Just select Cancel e-invoice.
Fill in the reason for cancellation, click Initiate Cancellation, make the necessary amendments, then save and resubmit, all in just a few steps.
4 of 10. One-click batch submission with auto email notification. SQL allows you to submit e-invoices individually or submit multiple e-invoices to LHDN with just one click. For batch submissions, simply click Submit and Email, then choose the report format you'd like to send to your customers.
Once validated, SQL automatically sends the invoice to your customer via email, no manual sending required.
5 of 10. Flexible submission e-invoice time. Need more time?
SQL gives you the flexibility to submit your e-invoices even after 3 days, without changing the original invoice date.
Enjoy greater flexibility and peace of mind for your team. 6 of 10. Validation before submit to actual production.
SQL account supports both sandbox and production environments, enabling you to test and validate your e-invoices to identifying and resolving issues in advance to ensure smooth, error-free submissions to the LHDN production portal.
7 of 10. Smart QR code for customer self-fit data. Customer wants an e-invoice but is in a rush and hasn't provided their company details? No worries, with SQL. Just select e-invoice request, choose the My Invoice request format, and send it to the customer.
They simply scan the QR code and fill in the required LHDN details like company name, registration number, and TIN later.
Once completed, the information is submitted directly to LHDN, streamlining the process for both parties. 8 of 10. One-click supplier invoice import from LHDN server. Easily import your supplier's invoices from the LHDN server. A unique feature in SQL account enables direct retrieval of supplier invoice data from the LHDN server into the SQL account system for corporate governance purposes. This eliminates manual data entry and helps prevent duplicate or overvalued entries that could result in overpayments. 9 of 10. E-invoice information request made easy. For companies dealing with customers whose TIN is not found in the SQL database, don't worry, SQL has you covered. The system will generate a secure link that you can email to your customer. Once they fill in their details, you can retrieve all the information in bulk with just one click. 10 of 10. SQL to SQL user direct invoice sharing. Good news! You can share invoices directly within the system. If your customer uses SQL account too, they can easily download their invoice anytime. No need for emails, WhatsApp, or worrying about lost invoices. Just seamless, real-time document sharing. Don't wait. Invite your customers to join SQL account today and earn referral fees. With automation, smart features, and a user-friendly interface, SQL account makes e-invoicing simple, efficient, and stress-free. Whether you're adapting to LHDN requirements or streamlining operations, SQL account is your complete e-invoice solution. Visit sql.com.my or call us at 0378901299 now.